welcome to season 1 of me chit-chatting with y'all every week about stuff that's going on, what you feel, how you feel, or whatever. Like, the thing that I have been through, I can tell y'all what y'all, give y'all some tips on how to figure it out, how to do that, how to, change yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't necessarily gotta do that. Okay, so, if you are one of those persons that don't got no friends, promise you, I don't got no friends. Like, I don't try to have friends or anything like that. I'm not a type of person to go and try to look for a friend here and there and here. I'm not gonna do that. If I wanted a friend, I would have one, but I'm not the type of person to call somebody my friend. And you understand, I know y'all understand what I'm saying, because if you lonely or whatever, you ain't got no boyfriend or whatever, you ain't got no friend, the main topic is talking about a friend. If you don't have a friend and you don't know what to do, you at home, you bored, you ain't got nobody to go outside with, you just can't deal with it. So I'm here to tell you what you can do and how it can help you to come out of your loneliness and become your own best friend of yourself. You don't need other people to be your best friend, because at the end of the day, everybody not your friend. Everybody they gonna tell you what they want you to hear. They gonna tell you what they want you to hear, and at the end of the day, they ain't gonna be your friend. I'm telling you, they's not gonna be your friend. So I'm finna tell you what to do about that. Okay, so if you was to have a friend, and if you had, say right now, you at home, you ain't got nothing to do. You can literally turn your TV on, watch some YouTube or whatever you want to do. And then how some of your friends be asking you oh, can we go, do you want to go to the football game with me tonight, or whatever, the people that you used to hang around or used to talk to or whatever, be cool with, or whatever y'all was communicating or whatever. Oh, you want to go to the game? Do you want to go to the mall with me or anything like that? Baby, tell them no. You don't necessarily got to tell them yes, because you lonely and don't have nobody to go with. Tell them no. You trying to become your own best friend, and because y'all not best friends now, so why are you trying to talk to me? That's crazy. Trying to come back in my life, be my best friend, do this and that and this. That's not gonna work. Don't fall for that. Be your best friend. Become your own best friend. Don't count on nobody else to be your best friend. If it ain't you or God or your mom or your dad or your brother, sister, whatever, they not your friend. They not your friend, baby. They're just a person that you communicate with, an associate. They're not gonna stay there by your side the whole round. They're gonna change on you. They're gonna talk about you. They're gonna be messy to you. They're gonna talk about you to the other people that they call their friends. They're not gonna sit there and just be your friend. The same person that you heard, the same person that they hang around right now, and you hang around that person, they gonna come and tell you something they said about you right there to your face, and then what you gonna think? You gonna say something, but in your mind, you gonna be thinking oh my goodness, I really thought this person was my friend, and then right then and there you gonna realize it's not your friend. So that's why I'm trying to tell y'all, if you trying to be your best friend, leave the best friends alone. Don't try to go talk to this person. Don't try to go talk to this girl talking about can we be friends, close friends, best friends, and then y'all be posting on Snapchat talking about some best friend, look for a best friend, or go to the movies or something. Don't do that. You can go to the movies by yourself. Solo dates are here. You do not have to call somebody and tell them oh, you want to go to the movies with me? No, go by yourself. It's best to do stuff by yourself. You can be the best person you could ever want to be. if you still by yourself. You ain't gotta worry about no drama. You ain't gotta worry about no mess. You ain't gotta worry about having your name around this place, that place. You ain't gotta worry about none of that. You ain't gotta worry about none of all that drama, messy stuff. You don't have to worry about that. Just be yourself. You don't have to worry about, oh, you having beef with somebody. You don't gotta do none of that, baby. Just be yourself. Be the person that you would expect somebody else to be. Be a leader, not a follower. Don't go follow somebody around. Okay, here's another point. Somebody want to go to a party. They call you, be like, oh, you want to go to this party? Say no, I'm trying to better myself. That's what you're supposed to say. Don't say, yeah, I'm gonna put my clothes on, you come on in about 30 minutes. Don't do that, because if this gonna blow it off, and then you're gonna be like, then you back to the same thing again. You sit there, you hear somebody talking about you, somebody tell you they talk about you, anything, somebody come in your face, trying to start stuff with you, whatever. Like, you don't gotta do that. And another thing, if you wanna be if you wanna be yourself, and you don't drink or smoke or anything like that, and somebody asks you, do you want to smoke, do you want to drink? Say no. Say no. Do not go over there trying to say yes to them. Do not do that. Because when you do that, it's going to ruin the inside of you. The point you calling solo, you was solo. You was sober. You don't drink, you don't smoke, you don't do none of it. You is sober to the T. Don't go mess up your life because you don't have a best friend and you trying to fit in with the other person and do what the other person doing. Don't do that. Do not do that. And you see them having fun, baby, that's not fun. You being yourself, get closer to God, reading your word, praying every day, talking to your family. Only thing you need is your family. Him above. So all you don't need nothing else. That's all you need. Like, you don't gotta count on other folks to be there for you. You don't. Like, I'm telling y'all, they is not your friend. They is not your friend. Y'all be thinking I be playing. They is not your friend. And y'all they can say, oh, I'm finna, this is my friend. Then, like, when this is the main thing. You get around somebody, they get around their other friend. They be like, oh, this is my buddy right here. They try to put their arms all around you. Like, don't do that. We ain't cool. I don't like you. But I mean, I'm cool with you. I like you, whatever. But we not friends. Don't sit there and lie about me. And we're not friends. Don't do that. Please don't do that. But either way it go, like, y'all still got to learn how to be yourself. Be to yourself. You can go to the movies by yourself. You can even stay at home. You don't even gotta go anywhere. You can still enjoy yourself. You got TikTok, you got Snapchat, you got Instagram. You can sit there and scroll on your phone, look at what they doing. What you don't do no more. And see how you feel inside. Like, they doing all these bad things. You sit here at home doing all the good things, doing everything right. Whatever. You just chilling, you vibing, you holding, you keeping yourself. You make yourself a better person. That's all you do. You make yourself a better person. Don't let nobody bring y'all down. Be yourself. Be yourself. Don't act like nobody. Don't try to act like nobody. Just be yourself. Be yourself. Here's the ideas of what y'all can do. Because this is what I do. I go to the store by myself alone. I play music in the car alone. I don't have nobody in there. I go out to eat. My mama alone, family, all that. I go out of town with family, all that. I can go like 5 hours, 10 hours away with my family. I don't have to bring nobody with me. I can sit here and watch TV in my bed the whole time. I don't have to bring nobody with me. That's just something that I done got used to the point of where I don't need no friends. I don't. If you not, like, I don't care. I don't call nobody my friend, and nobody should not be calling me their friend, because in the long run, I'm not your friend. I am not your friend. Like, I'm not. And I'm just saying, like, because, like, you don't necessarily have to do the things that other people are doing. You don't have to do it. Just try to better yourself. And then, like, if you do be lonely or whatever, get up and work out. Do a workout. If you want to better yourself and everything, change what you eat. Go on a diet. That's another thing. You can work out every day. That could be 30 to 45 minutes, an hour off of you being bored on your phone, sitting there looking at the wall, not doing nothing. They could be an hour there. What you was just doing, you sitting there an hour looking at the wall on your phone. You could be over there working out with some weights, getting your body right, getting healthy, eating healthy, make healthier choices. Don't do nothing that somebody is doing. Do not, y'all. I promise you, do not. I love y'all though, but this is really good because I don't want y'all to be out here hurt, getting hurt, your feelings hurt, fighting, drama, messy, being messy, talking about folks, bullying folks, being fast. Don't do that. And then another thing, you going around here talking to all these different boys or whatever. You gotta do that. That's so bad. If you talk to one person and they like you and they your type, don't go try to find somebody else because you think you a better person. Like you think you that girl and you can go get whoever you want to get. Don't do that. Stick with that person. Allow that person to get to know you. You get to know that person. Don't ruin that moment, because I promise you, if you go out trying to find somebody else, they ain't gonna be the same with that person, and you're gonna be missed out on your blessing. Don't do that, because God may can bless you with that person. You never know, but you done gonna cheat on them or that girl, and you over here talking to somebody else. Don't do that. Be yourself. Get to be yourself. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself much as possible. That's the main thing. Learn to love yourself. Be to yourself. Don't go out trying to be with everybody, hang with everybody. Don't do none of that, y'all. Be yourself. Enjoy life. Have fun. Just don't do nothing wrong. Don't do nothing crazy, y'all. I love y'all. This was season 1. Put down in the comments that if you like this video or not, because I promise y'all I'm coming back. Like this opening me up too, because I'm not used to sitting here talking on the camera and all that. But this is something that I wanted to do, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps somebody. I really do. I love y'all, and I will be back for season 2, and I will put on the screen or whatever when I will be back. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay blessed.